The snow has tapered off, but it was another miserable day, with Montrealers digging out in punishing winds and frigid temperatures. For the second time in 4 days, schools and daycares were closed. The city struggling under the weight of 74 centimetres of snow since Thursday.
When you actually look at the 4-day total for Montreal, that is the highest 4-day total we have on record, and that is since 1941.
City officials say it will take longer than usual to clear 11,000 kilometres of streets and sidewalks.
We have 3,000 employees, 2,500 trucks on the road.
After also being blanketed with heavy snow from back-to-back storms, Toronto says clearing it all could take up to 3 weeks. More snow fell in the past week than what the city saw all last winter.
Why does it take so long to actually remove snow? Plowing snow on a 1 kilometer local residential road takes approximately 5 to 10 minutes. And that's a vehicle traveling at about 15 kilometers an hour.
Despite being hit with 2 snowstorms, Winterlude wrapped up in Ottawa on Monday with what organizers say could be its most attended season yet.
I wanted to come here yesterday, but I couldn't. There was no way you could go anywhere. So today is a perfect day.
Strong winds caused thousands to wake up without power on this holiday Monday in Atlantic Canada. This was perhaps the most enjoyable way to get around when snow turned into freezing rain.
Chopping away at the snow, which has got very icy on top. My snowblower will not work.
Back here in Montreal, authorities are urging people to stay off the streets so crews can clear all of this snow and things can get back to normal. Vanessa Lee, CBC News, Montreal.